Hi everybody, it's me Plantine Charlene, and in this video today I wanted to share my plant cleanup and my small Ikea shelving system that I have here. I needed to do some refresh because some plants were dying, some plants needed some TLC, some plants were growing, and they really needed to be more like it rearranged. So that's what this video is going to be about today. And as always, before I get to the video, I want to make sure I say thank you to each and every one of you who are watching, whether it's your first time to my channel. I hope you'll like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below. I appreciate you clicking on my video, and for anyone who has been to my channel before, I appreciate you returning because it means a lot to know that somebody wants to actually watch the content that you put out. So thank you everyone who's watching. I really appreciate it. So enough of this yap, let's get to the video. So I decided to do some cleanup because in here is a lot of dirty. And I pull out a few plants. I see how much this one has grown. Just for the record, majority of the plants that's in this are succulents / cacti, but not all, but most. As you can see here, need to figure out what I'm doing with these because, yeah, I don't know yet. They have to find a home. But in the meantime, I saw for this one, this is new, and it grew so tall that it hit the light and it burned it. Ouch, damn it. Ooh, and it's got sharp, so Lord have mercy. I hate getting stuck. I like me some cacti, but Lord have mercy, I don't like getting stuck. Anywho, all of these little small ones, that's new. These small ones. These taller ones, you know, like. Anyway, there's a lot of new growth on here. And my string of pearls is getting nice and full inside. I saw some new leaves from succulents. From this one, these little leaves fell off. If you know anything about succulents, if the leaves fall off, don't throw them away. It will produce a whole new plant. And, excuse me, you can let it callus over, which is basically letting it heal from the opening, quote unquote, like a scab. And then it'll start pushing out roots, and then you'll start seeing new leaves come from it. Like there's this one here. It's hard to see, but it's not coming through clear. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see there's roots. Let me see if I do it this way. Ouch, I'm sticking myself here. Anyway, there are roots on this. There you go. And if I flip it, see that little green there? That's a new leaf coming out. And it, like I said, it'll produce a whole new plant. So don't throw out your succulent leaves if they fall off. Also, I'll put that back properly. This one here, these were both round at one point. This is, I believe, a domino cacti, and it ain't round no more. It's giving me what's his name from SpongeBob. Anyway, I'm gonna do some cleaning up. And another example of why you what is that? You shouldn't throw out. So, like I said, the succulent leaves. Oh boy, I'm doing bad video in here, guys, because I'm trying to do this and not drop anything. So all of these here are basically based on some leaves falling off, falling into this pot, and this is what it produced. Okay, because this is a fire stick cacti, I believe. I don't know the, wait, there we go. Fire sticks. Euphorbia tyriculi. Don't stop me to pronouncing things right. So that is not the plant that this actually is. This is basically leaves from another succulent falling into the soil. And it rooted in and started another plant, a few plants, because that's about 3 to 4 different plants, leaves that fell in here, maybe more. Yeah, maybe more. All right, enough of my bad videoing, recording, and get to cleaning now. Make this look nicer. So I finished rearranging the plants in here. I'm happy with how it came out. Keep in mind, I've done that many of times, rearranging the plants in here. You see here, that was a free piece of a string of pearls. I found it on the ground at Home Depot up by Ridge Hill. So thank you to whomever broke it off, threw it away, I don't know. I appreciate free plants. I do have one here already, but the other one, the pearls are larger. So I'm thankful. Yes, I'm very, very thankful. Then there's down here, this is the hottest mess of the whole area to me. Still trying to figure this area out. It is what it is, because I've changed in here so many times, and each time I change it, I think I love it until the next time. So, well, there it is.